Like, here's what I mean, bro. It's been damn near a month since I posted. A month. I just posted something now, and it's a video recorded a while back. So I didn't record it now. I recorded it the same day I recorded. Same day I recorded this, and I need to wipe my camera. Hold on. Hold on. Cool. This I recorded it same day I recorded this. August 9, 2026, which is today. I'm posting this today. Nearly a month, bro. You procrastinate a bit, and then you're like, okay, I'll get back into it, and then like you fall off for a few days, and then it all just goes to hell, bro. It goes to hell. The other weird thing is I don't hate working, bro. I don't. I really don't. Now I know I don't hate working because I'm able to work for hours on end if it's not my own work. If I've been assigned a task and it's for somebody else, or if I was busy with schoolwork like I was last year when I was still in college, I'm able to work. Another example is if I'm doing work for my dad, as an example, he tells me, why not go into 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm able to work. I'm able to sleep at 3 a.m. just working and pushing. So my laziness is weird. I'm not incapable of working. When I was with the tech giants, same thing with those guys. I would work. I was working the hard. In my personal opinion, I was working the hardest. In my personal opinion, I was working the hardest, and I'd get up first thing in the morning. I'm on the laptop. I'm pushing. I'm working. I'm working. I'm working. I'm busy refactoring code that nobody asked me to refactor. Right? Although I know how bad that sounds now. Um, but I won't even go into that. They were useful changes. What I had done was useful at the time. So refactoring code, nobody asked me to refactor. Implementing some features that were discussed on a meeting the previous day. I'll just be pushing, bro. I just work. So the big issue on my end is I think about my own work. Go and do this thing for yourself. More especially if it's real work. More especially if I know that it's something which can get me paid. That's when I'll be the laziest. If it's uh if it's placeholder work or filler work, if it's filler work, like getting the website complete or implementing a new feature on the website, yeah, I'm adding a CMS to the website. Yeah, that I can sit down and do. Because there's no real consequence or risk involved in it. However, now when I go on ahead and I'm doing work and I know I need to be cold calling and I know I need to be preparing a proposal, it's like shit. It's like, okay, this thing I'm doing here may or may not get me paid. And I enter some weird kind of paralysis, man. Like, I'm just unable to proceed. I don't know what it is. However, once I do start working, yeah, I do quite well for myself. It's like Osporo, as an example. I was waking up 6 a.m. every single day working on the API. And I'm not talking about like actually the API, I'm talking about like planning the endpoints, describing what each endpoint would do, defining the request and response bodies. The planning part of it. Yeah, I sat down and I was busy with it, and I was dedicated. I'll be working hours on end every single day. But come the development, knowing that I have posted on X the live link to the public repo of Osporo, telling people, yeah, I'm building in public. Come have a look. Now all of a sudden I'm unable to work. I can't do this. This takes too long. Bro, it's so dumb. But anyways, I need to continue with this photo because I have an AWS event I'm gonna be attending quite soon. Right now, I need to finish up this document. As soon as I finish this method statement, this requirements discovery document, I'll be back. I need to finish Osporo by the 19th. What day is it today? I have 10 days. Oh my lord. Yeah. Sergeant when he's mewing. Anyways, uh, here's the lighting, man. This is like Barnes lighting. That's not good. This is the way I'm sitting all the time, which is also not good. And then you have decent lighting like here. This is good lighting. But how am I supposed to place my desk here, bro? Hey, yeah. Anyways, let me go back. I'm about to start with I'm about to continue. So not start, I'm about to continue with the development of a Sporo. I when last did I code, bro? And I'm not talking about TypeScript, HTML, websites, that's simple. Backend. Spring Boot. The reason I stopped last time is because I was busy with a JWT authentication service, and yo, the headache. Like, there aren't even any errors, but I'm so lazy to do this thing myself. And I had told Claude to help me with like the best usage of AI, as I'm still a beginner in program. I'm a beginner. I can build a full app. I can build an entire system. Yes, but I want to know what I'm doing. I want to actually know what I'm doing. You know, I want to know why this is a bad decision and this is a better decision. Like I want to know those things. I don't want to blindly let AI write my things and then I kind of supervise it, kind of, and then I just let things fly. That's not what I want. So I am learning, and in my learning, I got Claude to write an AI usage guide. Showed me exactly where I can use AI and where I shouldn't. And then I told it, let us stick to this, right? JWT, the JWT service is one of those where I'm supposed to write it myself so that I can understand what's actually happening. And at first I was like, okay, cool, no problem. I'll do it myself. Until it was time, and I'm doing it in Spring Boot. I'm like, the things I'm okay with doing myself are setting up the endpoints. That's fine. GWT. And then I'm like, yo, Claude, could you write this for me? And it's like, no, bruv. No. We have an agreement. And I'm like, damn it, bro. What's up with you? So, that's the situation right now. That's where we at. Let me get to it. Bro, it's been so long. Osporo's not even a part of my recent folders anymore, bro. Like it's not here. Yeah, bro. Like I have to go to open folder and then look for it. Dog, I don't even know where I have this thing placed, bro. It's been that long. Okay, there we go. Like I literally have to come all the way here. Select folder. Yo, this is scary. It's been so long. It's been so long. Let me open up the repo in my GitHub desktop real quick. This thing is stupid slow. Oh my god. It's been so. It's even in its own organization. Let's see what's going on. Auth service, GWT service. Literally, I just like, man, generate access token, generate refresh token. Like, I know this is not anything complex, but the thought of doing it, my guy, the thought of doing it. When last commit was 3 months ago. Oh my. How different would life be if I had just completed this thing? If I had just completed it and I had been posting about it like I said I would, how different would things be right now? Maybe I'd be employed, and maybe this would have gotten the attention of consumers, and I'd be getting some kind of revenue from it. Would I even be doing this if it wasn't for the Amazon, if it wasn't for the AWS event coming up? I don't know. I don't know. But I can already feel the aching. I can already feel it. Like, bro, it's been so long. Like, I can't even reason through the system anymore. That's how long it's been, bro. Like, I need to read through my documents again to actually understand what the hell it was I was doing here. I don't have the key type. I don't have the key object stored somewhere. Or the key class. I don't have the key class saved or imported. And I don't even know where I'm supposed to be getting key from. Quick fix. Import key java.security. I don't know if this is the correct thing, bro. There's so many keys. There's a. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know. That may be. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah.